In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch screen modes and get back to standard view. When you're working in a creative app, the interface can switch between a few different screen modes. Knowing how to move between them quickly helps you focus, present, or reset your workspace whenever you need. There are three modes you'll use: standard screen, full screen with menu bar, and full screen. Standard screen shows your document with all the usual panels, toolbars, and window controls. Full screen with menu bar gives you more canvas space while still keeping the menu visible at the top. Full screen removes everything but your work, which is great for distraction-free editing or clean previews. The quickest way to move through these is with a single key. Press F on your keyboard to cycle through the screen modes in order. Each tap advances to the next mode: standard screen, then full screen with menu bar, then full screen, and another tap brings you back around. If you overshoot the one you want, just keep pressing F until you return to it. This is ideal when you need a fast toggle during editing or when presenting to a client. If the F key doesn't seem to respond, make sure the application window is active and in the foreground. On some keyboards, especially laptops, you may need to hold the function key to use F as a function key. Once recognized, the cycle will work immediately and consistently. Sometimes a dialog or a preview window can expand to full screen and take over. If you find yourself stuck in an overlay like that, press ESC, the escape key, will close the full screen dialog or preview and return you to your previous view without changing your underlying screen mode for the main workspace. If you prefer a menu-driven approach or your keyboard shortcuts are temporarily unavailable, you can reset the view from the menu bar. Go to the view menu, choose screen mode, and then select standard screen mode. This is the most reliable way to get everything back: the panels, the tool options, and the familiar workspace, especially after a session in full screen. To recap as you practice, press F to cycle through standard screen, full screen with menu bar, and full screen. Press ES key to exit a full screen dialog or preview, and use view, then screen mode, then standard screen mode to restore the default interface. With these options, you can control your workspace confidently